So the first piece here is really around reducing that spreadsheet risk. So removing some of those manual spreadsheets from your Qlik ecosystem, getting rid of the consolidation of spreadsheets and the errors that are prone to spreadsheets. Using that SQL database as opposed to a spreadsheet and the native governance that's built into that. Increase in productivity is one of the other big gains. So users being able, those sort of quick iterations, I guess, of entering data and seeing the results significantly improves processes, saves time, saves effort. And lastly, if we can remove the need for some other tools like Monday.com, or we might have users that access the CRM or ERP system that have very light usage needs, and we might be able to remove the need for them to have a license to those systems and actually just rely on what we have available within Qlik and within that native environment, which is already paid for effectively.